Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the router's cellular support and the SIM's readiness. This saves time later. Insert the active SIM into the designated slot, then power the device. Once done, log into the router admin web page or app. Use the default IP shown on the label. Make sure firmware is current so modem drivers work properly. If prompted, enter the SIM PIN and disable conflicting WAN settings. These initial steps ensure the modem will register on the network smoothly. Next, configure the APN and network mode so the router negotiates with the carrier. This is critical for connectivity. In the mobile settings, type the APN and any credentials precisely. Case and punctuation matter. Then choose Network Preference. Automatic lets the device pick best available, while manual mode forces 4G or 5G for consistent speed. Also set whether the mobile link is primary or a failover. Doing this determines how traffic routes when a wired connection exists. Finally, validate service and lock down the network so devices can use mobile internet reliably. Run a speed test and confirm DNS resolution. Make sure client devices get IPs via DHCP. Secure Wi-Fi with a strong password and update admin credentials. If you see no connection, reboot the router and re-enter the APN. If that fails, swap SIMs or move the router to improve signal. Sometimes a slight reposition or external antenna fixes registration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.